Hey folks, this is Lollipop Liz, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fire, one that is just like this. And I will also be teaching how to change the color of fire. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to make a campfire. We are going to make a cylinder. Let's take this cylinder over here. Now, I'm going to turn it like a wood kind of color. And I really think we should lighten it up, so I'm going to make it be neon, so it's a bit lighter. Okay, now, once you've got that done, does everyone have that done? Alright, okay, gonna command it, I'm gonna spin it, so we make a plus, or a cross, or an X, or whatever. Then we're gonna command D, and then rotate, so we have this kind of shape. Then command D again, and here we have it. And I know what you're thinking, that is just a snowflake made out of wood. And I know, that's why I'm going to select them all and command G. Now we can move them all together. And wait a minute. There's a model inside a model. Oh, looks like I command G too many times. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to hit command U. Command U. Command U. Command U. Oop, command Z. And that's this one. And now, where's the fire? Good question. We're going to go up here and click model. And now we are going to select one of our parts and command E and hit effects and go fire. And if you want, we can do this. You can make it giant, but the fire doesn't go with it. So then we go over here. And I'm gonna go 1,000. But it only, wait a minute. No, that's not it. Oh, size. 1,000. But it only goes to like 30. So now we need to make this bigger. What in the world? And now you have a giant campfire. That's only optional. Command D that. I'm going to take this other one and I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to make the fire in that one smaller too. One. Actually, it was 5. My turn. And now we have our heat. I wonder what heat does. Let's go play the game. Now, this is going to be a fire that is not really well done in the game, but we will get to anchoring. Okay. Now, oh lollipop, what do you do with it? Alright. Now I have my corgi here. We're going to corgi can't get through. Come on. Alright. And this is cool. You get to see that. So, another time I'll work out the heat thing. Okay. So I'm gonna make that a little smaller. But not too small. Uh-oh. First I'm gonna command S. Seven. Return. Yeah, it's gotta be set bin. Okay, and this is also 7 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Let's command D this one and bring it over here. F it. Now we're gonna take that one and this fire. We're going to change the color, and you can change it to pink. You can change it to blue, also known as purple. You can change it to a lighter blue. You can change it to green, yellow, and red. Let's see, and white. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video now. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye!